Hey guys, welcome out to the shop today. We're going to be working with our rabbit hutch area a little bit today. We moved the little baby bunnies out into their runs, and so they're no longer with their mothers. And we need to go ahead and get them an automatic food dispenser thing. We're just going to be using regular water bottles for the water system. We aren't going to put in an automatic waterer quite yet. We may do that here in the next couple weeks. Depends on how much they drink and things like that. But today we're going to make a very simple PVC automatic feeder, and it's going to be very simple and require almost no tools. I went ahead and picked up the PVC that I needed, and the place that I go to actually cuts down the PVC and sells it by the foot, so that was great. So what I have here and how I'm making mine is I have a 2-inch pipe right here, a 3-inch pipe at 2 feet long, and then I have an elbow for the 2-inch, and then I have a 2-inch to 3-inch adapter, 3-inch cap, and a 2-inch cap. So the first thing that we need to do before putting any of this together is going ahead and getting some holes drilled in this. I think I'm going to probably cut this down a little bit. I don't need it to be 1.5 feet long. I don't think the food will flow all the way down. So I'm going to probably chop it right in half, and then probably put in only 2 or 3 different holes right here. Probably just 2 of them. And let's go ahead and get started with that. So I'm not really measuring anything. I'm just eyeballing about a halfway mark, and I'm just going to get this part cut. And after getting it cut, I'm just going to take a file real quick and run around the edges and just clean this up. I'm trying to knock off all the little burrs or all the little debris that's on here. So I'm using the blue line that came on it, and I'm just going to put a couple different spots in here. And I'm trying to keep them kind of spaced apart, so we'll see how well this goes. This drill bit is not the best in the world either, so. That's not gonna be good. We're gonna try a Forstner bit and see what happens with this. Yeah, this wasn't very planned very well. So how in the world we're gonna clean that up? Oh, well, that's not that bad actually. I wonder if I should put this in the drill press and if it'll drill it better. Alright, so hole number 2, we're going to do it with the Forstner bit and have it in the drill press. And hopefully this will work better. that was a lot better, a lot more, a lot smoother and cleaner. You guys can see that's a lot cleaner with the drill press. Let's get this last hole done. We'll be able to put it together. Alright guys, so this is like the best I'm going to be able to get it cleaned up. I went ahead and blew it all out as well, because you don't want any of the little PVC pieces hanging out on the inside, getting into the rabbit's food. So the first thing that we're going to go ahead and do is cap this off. I'm not going to be gluing any of this together because I want to be able to take it apart if I need to get it cleaned or anything like that. So there's one end right there. Here is your second part. And I'm going to tilt it a little bit so that they can get into the food when need be. And we're just going to squeeze all that together. And that should be nice and tight. And now we're going to cut another little 2-inch section right here so that we can get the adapter into it. So now we have a short little section that we're going to push in. Now we have the adapter. And this will actually act like a little hopper for the food storage. And then we have the big piece of 3-inch pipe. We're going to put that right on top. And then what goes on top of that is obviously the cap. Now the cap, I'm not too concerned about how I'm not going to push it down really hard, and that is mainly so I can get it off to refill their food whenever they're almost out. So I can just pull it off and then I'll just rest it on, and that's mainly to keep the water or whatever out from the top of the food. So now we need to go ahead and get this all put into their cage, and we'll go ahead and get some food in it and see how they like it. Alright, so we got the feeder system up, and it's zip tied on the inside. And we're about to go ahead and fill it with some food and see how well they eat out of it. I don't know, I might have to make those holes a little bit bigger. Or tip it on its side a little bit more. Alright, so I changed up the area a little bit, and I actually made it look like a trough. The holes weren't cutting it, they were too small for their little heads for me to be feeling comfortable with that. So I went ahead and took it to the bandsaw and just cut out a little section, and now they can easily get to them with no issues. This is a lot better than it was before. Well, that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today with the rabbits and their automatic feeder. We're gonna watch over the past couple of days, or the next couple of days, and see if we need to make any kind of adjustments. I'm watching the food flow, and it is going down just like it's supposed to. So we just gotta keep an eye on it. This is a new setup with the new rabbits, so we need to make sure that they are still eating and everything like that. And so it's not, I didn't fill the hopper up completely, only about halfway, just so I can make sure that everything is flowing like it's supposed to. And we'll just watch it over the next couple days, and then if this works out good, we're gonna actually adapt this with all of our other rabbits on one bigger system. So that should be interesting, a little bit more in depth, and I hope that I can film that if it's a little bit different. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit that thumbs up button. If you guys are new, hit that subscribe button. I do all sorts of stuff on the channel, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it all. A little bit of engine work, homesteading, and some other stuff. And it's about to be gardening season as well, so we'll have some of that coming up. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you next time.